Hi there, my name's Edgar. Salon by Premier Software not only has the ability to set up treatments and rooms for them, but also any equipment you may need. So today I will show you how to allocate equipment for your treatments within Salon. Let's take a look. Log into Manager if you're a single site business, or Administrator if you are multi-site. First you'll need to set up the piece of equipment. So head to the right of the screen and click the Appointments icon. On the menu that then appears, click Equipment on the top line. Here you'll be able to set up a new piece of equipment. Click the green plus to get started with this. Next, enter the name of the item in the description box, such as a wax pot needed for waxing. Once done, highlight the Salon site you would like to allocate this for below. Then click the single right arrow and you will assign this to that salon if you're multi-site. Click the green tick once you're done. Next, click the Site Details tab. This will be where you can set up how many pieces of that equipment you have. After you have input any alternative description you would like to help identify the equipment on site, enter the number of pieces in the quantity box. After, under the exceptions box, you can state if a piece of equipment isn't going to be available for a specific period of time, such as for a piece of equipment that may need to be sent to a supplier to be fixed. If this is ever the case, click the green plus next to the exceptions box. You will then see a date that appears on the left. Click the date from column and then the arrow that appears next to it in order to use the calendar and set the date the piece of equipment won't be available from. You can do the same with the date to column to set when the piece of equipment will next be available. Under the quantity box, you can then set how many pieces this will be for. Finally, enter any description such as why the item is unavailable for this period. Should you wish to remove any of these dates, simply click the red minus button. Once you have set everything up, click the back arrow to save the changes. Next, we can allocate this piece of equipment to an appointment. So head back to the Appointments menu and along the top, click Appointment Codes. Along the bottom of the screen, scroll down the list of treatments until you find the one you wish to use your new piece of equipment for. Click to highlight this treatment. In this case, we're clicking Full Leg Wax for the wax pot. Once highlighted, click the Site Details tab at the top of the screen. Make sure the relevant Salon site is selected, then in the middle of the screen, click the Equipment tab. Here you will see all pieces of equipment available. Click and highlight the wax pot. Then click the single right arrow to allocate this to the treatment. Similarly, you can allocate equipment to a set room if you wish under the Room Allocation tab. This is useful if the equipment is designed to remain in a set room. Once done, click the back arrow to save all the changes made. You now know how to set up and allocate equipment to your treatments. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos? We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.